Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic quotes of beautiful flowers. If love is sweet as a flower, then my mother is that sweet flower of love. A single rose can be my garden, a single friend my world. Good friends are like a beautiful flowers in the garden of life. Flowers are like friends, they bring color to your world. Garden and flowers have a way of bringing people together, drawing them from their homes. Even the tiniest of flowers can have the toughest roots. Perfumes are the feeling of flowers. There are always flowers for those who wants to see them, the color of love. If we could see the miracle of single flower clearly, our whole life would change. Flowers don't tell, they show. Happiness radiates like the fragrance from a flower and draws all good things towards you. Even the prettiest flower will die one day. It is nature's way of teaching us that nothing lasts forever. Flowers bring us a sense of pleasure and a great feeling of happiness or well being. A flower does not think of competing with the flowers next to it, it just blooms. Flowers always attract us towards their beauty and nature. All the flowers of tomorrows are in the seeds of today. Flowers are the music of the ground from earth's lips spoken without sound. Love is like a beautiful flower which I may not touch, but whose fragrance make the garden a place of delight just the same. Flowers whispers beauty to the world even As they fade, wilt, fall. Flowers are the sweetest thing God ever made and forgot to put a soul into. Flowers blossoms for its own joy. The world is a rose. Smell it and pass it to your friends. Minds are like flowers. They open only when the time is right. A clever man without wisdom is a like beautiful flower without fragrance. Flowers always make people better, happier, and more helpful. They are sunshine, food, and medicine for the soul. All flowers in the time bend towards the sun. I know you say there is no one for you, but here is one. Flowers don't worry about how they are going to bloom. They just open up and turn towards the light, and that makes them beautiful. Happiness held is the seed, happiness shared is the flower. The man of nature is always a flower. Flowers always have it poise, completion, fulfillment, and perfection. Life is the flower for which love is the honey. The very best relationship has a gardener and a flower. The gardener nurtures and the flower blooms. Take time to smell the roses. Brain chemicals such as oxytocin, dopamine, and serotonin are released when you have a positive reaction to the flowers. If the rose is a beautiful flower, it is also because it opens itself. The fountain of love is the rose and the lily, the sun and the dove. One of the most attractive things about the flowers is their beautiful reserve. Love is like a beautiful sunflower that you must let grow. The rose does not bloom without thorns. True, but would that the thorns did not outlive the rose. You are frustrated because you keep waiting for the blooming of the flowers of which you have yet to sow the seeds. A flower cannot blossom without sunshine, and the man cannot live without love. We lead such a busy lives. Flowers can be an instant mood lifters. The sight and smell of flowers bring us instant happiness. When you bloom like a blossom, you must help others flower buds to bloom too. In a joy or sadness, flowers are our constant friends. Take time to smell the flowers of roses. The smell of particular flowers can have quite the happiness effect on us. True friends are like bright sunflowers that never fade away, even over a distance and time. You are buying flowers for your home or just to treat yourself. This is a wonderful form of self care. The flower in the vase smiles but no longer laughs. Don't wait for someone to bring you flowers. Plant your own garden and decorate your own soul. The love of gardening is a seed once sown that never dies. Flowers are for everyone. The earth loves in flowers. Butterflies are self propelled flowers. Be a tree of love and let it bloom with the flower of happiness. To me, flowers are happiness, and every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. What are you growing? Your mind is a garden, your thoughts are seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.